Quantum of the Seas is a large ship with a maximum capacity of 4,905 guests. Join us as we count down the most important mistakes to avoid on Quantum of the Seas so you don't miss out. You'll definitely want to know what number 1 is.
Here are 7 mistakes to avoid while cruising on the Quantum of the Seas. Number 7. Not choosing your own cabin. While you may have to pay extra to select your cabin, it's often worth it. In November 2023, 22 guests were denied boarding at Brisbane Port, Australia, when they booked guaranteed staterooms on Quantum of the Seas. There were no cabins available for them. Rare, but it does happen. A guaranteed cabin could also place you in less desirable locations, such as a level 6 balcony room with views obstructed by lifeboats. If you're on a budget, consider booking an interior stateroom with a virtual balcony. These rooms provide a real-time view of the outside, offering a great alternative to pricier ocean view or balcony cabins. Number 6. Not pre-booking dining and activities before the cruise. If you enjoy theater shows, pre-book your dinner reservations to catch the early or late performances. Fixed early dining is often the best option, leaving your evening open for entertainment. Quantum of the Seas has multiple specialty dining venues, including Izumi, Jamie's Italian, and Wonderland. Sticking only to the main dining room or Windjammer buffet might cause you to miss out on unique culinary experiences. Some activities, drink packages, internet plans, and specialty dining are typically cheaper when pre-booked during a sale prior to embarkation. Number 5. Not packing smartly. Be sure to review the list of allowed and prohibited items. Each adult is allowed 1 bottle of wine and 12 cans of soda per stateroom. This can save money, especially for those without a drinks package. Items like power boards and irons are prohibited. Overpacking can make your stateroom feel cluttered. Conversely, forgetting essentials like formal wear for dress-up nights, comfortable shoes for excursions, or swimsuits for the pools and solarium can limit your enjoyment. Number 4. Not downloading the Royal Caribbean app. The app is essential for managing your cruise. It provides daily schedules, allows you to book activities, and offers a deck map to help you navigate the ship. Skipping this tool can lead to confusion and missed opportunities. Quantum of the Seas offers world-class entertainment, including Broadway-style shows, live music, and robotic bartenders at the Bionic Bar. Not checking the schedule or skipping these shows can mean missing some of the best experiences. Use embarkation day to explore the ship. Visit key areas like the Seaplex, 270 Lounge, and pool deck before they get crowded. This helps you plan your activities better. Number 3. Not waking up early for tender port tickets. At tender ports, one early riser in your group should queue about 30 minutes before tickets are issued to secure your preferred tender time. This maximizes your time at port by allowing you to arrive early and avoid crowds. Number 2. Not booking a next cruise offer. If you're an avid cruiser and plan to spend money on board, consider booking a next cruise deal. This offsets your onboard spend and provides discounts for your next cruise. Don't forget to explore the reasonably priced duty-free shopping on board. Adding specialty dining can also enhance your overall cruise experience. Number 1. Not knowing when to make advance reservations for activities. Quantum of the Seas offers unique experiences like the North Star Observation Capsule and Ripcord by iFly skydiving simulator. Some activities, like the escape room, can be booked pre-cruise, while others, such as iFly, offer free slots during port days that open the evening before. Activities like roller skating and laser tag can be booked the day before and are available twice per guest. Starwater, a spectacular show in the 270 lounge, must be pre-booked due to the small venue size. If you miss out, note that doors open to the public 10 minutes before each show. Here's a tip. Head upstairs, where the reserved VIP section opens to the public at that time. I hope you found these tips helpful. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll have a smoother and more enjoyable experience aboard the Quantum of the Seas. Have an amazing cruise.